also having a late night unboxing for you guys. Today we have an unboxing from Cute Neni Things. I am so excited. I was introduced to this company by Sweet Kiki1 here on YouTube and Instagram, and she also has a TikTok, so make sure to go follow her. And if you are new here, hey girl, how you doing? I hope you're having a good night tonight. But I have another unboxing. I know I've been doing a lot of unboxing because really I am gearing up for next year too, so you can see what I got. So here is the package, and she has a lot of different Hello Kitty stuff and different like cutesy envelope on the camera so you guys can see everything that I got. Oh, and I got stickers. I think one fell. I'll take everything out. More stickers. Alrighty, so this is from Cute Neni Things. And the owner is Rita. I think it's so cute. I have been like on a Hello Kitty kick. So, okay. So we got a cash breakdown. This is super cute. Like really, really cute. Because I'm definitely going to be using this. I got some more stickers. I love these stickers. See, I'm like piling up on my stickers because I just love it. Okay, we can look at the envelopes. And I think this is a divider, I believe. Okay, let me see. Because she has like these little dividers, and I think they're so stinking cute. Okay, so she has Sweet Funds. The budget is $200. And then I think I'm just gonna color them in. And then we have Beauty Funds. And are these? Oh, okay, so at first I thought that these were envelopes, but these are, yeah, these are just like the dashboards. Okay, so these are dashboards, which is fine. And then we have Fund Savings. It's $500. Sweet Funds, which is $200. Beauty Funds, which is also another $200, like the budget. This is so cute. She did an amazing job. And then I got a dashboard to put in my clear binder if I want to do another clear binder. And then I also have like a date night. Like this one's super cute. So cute. And the budget's $300. And this one also, yeah. So these ones are actually envelopes. So date night, you could put them in here, and they go and they like match up like that. And then you could just fill this one in, and then you could put the money in here. Because since these are actually dashboards, I'm gonna see if these fit into my clear envelopes. So I might have to just like trim this down and see if this will fit into those clear ones, so I could put them in there. But we'll see, because I'll just put them, because that's so cute. That is so cute. I love that. And it just says date night. And this one says family. This one's also an envelope. Very cute, because you have family funds, which goes right here. Super cute. So I really do like these. Oh yeah, these right here. Because I think these will just go in front of your envelopes too. But I'm going to see if I could fit them into those other envelopes. And then the family. I think these are kind of No, I think these ones are too big. Okay, so they might be too big. But I'll figure out a way to incorporate them in there. Because I do have a date night envelope. So I'm going to see how I'm going to make this work. But it's so cute. Like, I just couldn't pass it up. Super cute. I do wish they were envelopes, though. But I will have to see, like, how would you make this, like, style into an envelope with the Hello Kitty. But we shall see. We're going to figure that out. Okay. And then here we go. Let's look at this. This is a pin that I got. Oh, I love the little stickers. Cause I love stickers. I'm gonna figure out a way to put all these stickers on something. Ooh, it's just so pretty, and it has like the little Hello Kitty on there. This is so pretty. It has a nice little ballpoint pen. Isn't that cute? I love it. Super cute. Let's see how it writes. Like, my handwriting is kind of... It writes really nice. So you can kind of see. Alrighty. I love it. It's so cute, and I love these little, it's a little dangly thing on there, like a little keychain. That is so cute. I love all of these. And now I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put them in my binder, probably in my high priority binder, my Hey Now Say Now binder. And this is super cute. I just thought this was super cute. I'm gonna put this somewhere. But all right, you guys, that's all I got for you today. Very quick unboxing from Cute Neni Things. I'll make sure to put her website in the description box. But I love it all. These are super cute. I love these like little challenges, sweet funs. That's so cute. All right, you guys, I'll see y'all later. Bye.
Yeah.